I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play new Super Mario Bros. Wii multiplayer on your personal computer. First, you will need to choose an emulator. Dolphin Emulator is widely considered the best option for running Wii games on a PC. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth performance. You can find these details on Dolphin's official website. Always download the latest stable version to ensure the best compatibility and features for your gaming experience. Next, you will need to obtain the new Super Mario Bros. Wii game file. It is important to legally acquire your game, often referred to as a ROM or ISO. Once you have the file, place it in a folder that Dolphin can easily locate and scan. After adding the game, take some time to configure Dolphin's graphics and audio settings. You can adjust elements like internal resolution and anti-aliasing to achieve a visually stunning and smooth gameplay experience. Now, let's get your controllers ready for multiplayer fun. Connect your preferred gamepads, whether they are Xbox, PlayStation, or generic USB controllers to your computer. Open Dolphin's controller configuration menu and carefully map each button for every player. It is crucial that all players have their controllers correctly set up and assigned to different ports within the emulator. Dolphin supports up to 4 players, allowing for a truly engaging and cooperative or competitive experience. Finally, it is time to launch your multiplayer adventure. Open the Dolphin emulator and load the new Super Mario Bros. Wii game from your list. Once the game starts, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. Confirm that all 4 players are recognized by the game and ready to jump into action. With everything configured, you and up to 3 friends can now enjoy countless hours of classic Mario platforming fun right on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.